Hello traders, Dave Crypto Hunter here, and I'm official funded trader from the Hydro Trader. So what brings me to the success to getting funded over the 200k? It's not only almost a 10 years experiences from the forex and cryptocurrency and working in the brokers and all these things, but it's basically the knowledge, discipline, and mainly the confidence. You have probably heard this many times, but in this short video I'm going to tell you how to stay disciplined and confident in the trading. Consistency is key, and it's like well-known mantra, and everyone is saying that be consistent, but how to really do it, how to really be consistent, because there will be a periods where your trading will not be consistent, so you can't be consistent 100% time. And by doing the specific activities consistently will help you stick to your strategy and do the informed decisions, not the decisions based on the impulse or the emotions. So first thing, you should consistently review your trading plan, which leads you to the data-driven decisions. But how to achieve that? Surprise, surprise, by backtesting. Not many people are doing it at all because they think they backtested the strategy and now they're using it. But it's wrong. Backtesting should become your habit, and you should be doing it weekly, maximum bi-weekly. Even if you have your strategy running, you still should be doing it. But why? Because backtesting trains your eyes and mind, and it will prepare you to act confidently in the real market. It shifts your focus from the hesitating and thinking, will this trade work or how I will execute? By backtesting, you will be prepared because you will see the situation already play out many times, that you will be confident in executing it. It's same like being a football player or UFC fighter. They never go to the match without a training or the preparation. They are already the professionals, but still they are doing their training every day, every week, and they have specific routines which they are still repeating even if they are already professionals. And we should be doing it as the traders also. If you're not backtesting, it seems like you enter the UFC cage without any trading, and you will see you will be smashed, and in our world you will lose the money. You might already feel it, that the markets can trigger the emotions like euphoria or despair, and again you will be surprised, but the routines can help you to manage these feelings. By setting a time for the analysis and the execution, you will reduce a fear and you will have a clearer decisions. You definitely don't want to be a slave of the markets. I remember back in the time when I didn't set my routines, I didn't know when to do analysis, when to execute, and how to approach my routines completely. I was simply glued to the screens, switching between the markets and looking for the opportunities, which has led me to the unprepared decision making, and it's all wrong. But everything has completely changed for me once I have set up a routines for doing a big top-down analysis, executions, reviews, and backtesting. So right now I'm going to show you how I'm doing it, and you can get inspired and adapt my tactics for yourself. On the Saturdays, before my wife and daughter wakes up, I got my private time for doing my stuff, so I go through the past week. I check the trades which I took, which was profitable, I journal them. I check the trades which was losing, I journal them also, to avoid them next time. But also the opportunities which I should took, but for some reason I missed them, I'm trying to find out where was the mistake to avoid it next time. I spent maximum 2 to 3 hours with a little bit backtesting and reviewing for the past week, and then I close the charts and I live my life for the rest of the day. On the Sundays, I go through my watch list and I check all the instruments on the weekly, and if I see some favorable price action, I drop down to the daily 4 hours, and then I do my continuously workflow on the lower time frame price action. This way I prepare maybe 10 to 15 opportunities, if they are of course there, and I set my alarms on the price levels where I would like to enter. It of course does not mean that I'm going to have a 10 to 15 trades during the next week, but I got the opportunities with my levels where I want to trade, and in some of these setups I get price into my level where is my point of interest. At this stage it of course doesn't mean that I will enter, it depends